As another week wraps up, it's time to start thinking about all that we need to get done this weekend. Maybe you can finally take down the last of the holiday decorations or even start working on your honey-do list for the new year. Well, to help you get a jump start on tomorrow morning, what do you say we whip up an easy coffee cake that's blanketed with a buttery crumb topping? We start by mixing pancake and biscuit mix with some sugar, a little baking powder, a good amount of cinnamon, and a bit of salt. Now to that, we add some milk that we've beaten with a couple of eggs, melted butter, and a little vanilla. This goes into a 9x13 baking dish and gets topped with a classic streusel topping before we pop it in the oven. Now would be a great time to grab a cup of coffee and make sure everyone's to-do list is up to date. You won't have to worry about waking up the troops, because one whiff of this and they'll be lining up at the kitchen door. Simple, yes. Quick, yes. And talk about comforting. To get the recipe for our Streusel-Topped Coffee Cake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new old-fashioned way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.